Hello, beautiful. Thinking about waxing but not sure where to start? We've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics, prep and aftercare so you can wax like a pro. 1. What is waxing? Waxing removes hair from the root, meaning it lasts longer than shaving, no stubble in sight. Depending on your body type, you can stay smooth for 3 to 6 weeks. Sparkles pro tip: regular waxing makes hair grow thinner and less frequently. 2. Types of wax and choosing the right one. There are a few different types of wax, each suitable for specific areas. Soft wax, for larger areas like legs and arms. It is used with strips. Hard wax, perfect for sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms, no strips required. Pre-waxed strips, super handy for quick touch-ups or if you're new to waxing. Draw a diagram of the body with the areas labeled: legs, underarms, bikini area, upper lip. 3. Preparing for your wax session. Before waxing, there are a few important steps to make it easier and more comfortable. Step 1. Cleanse and exfoliate the area 24 hours before to remove dead skin cells. Step 2. Make sure your hair is at least 1/4 inch long, about the length of a grain of rice. Step 3. Avoid lotions or oils before waxing. Clean skin is the key. Step 4. If this is your first time, try a small patch to test the sensitivity. Sparkles pro tip: waxing is a little uncomfortable? Taking a pain reliever 30 minutes before can help. 4. Step-by-step waxing process. Okay, now we go through the waxing process step by step. For soft wax, with strips, heat the wax following the instructions. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Place the strip up and gently rub it to adhere. Hold your skin firmly and pull the strip sharply against the direction of hair growth. Repeat as needed, don't reapply the wax to the same spot more than twice. For hard wax, heat the wax until it is the right consistency, not too runny and not too thick. Apply a thick layer in the direction of hair growth. Wait a few seconds for it to cool and harden. Hold the skin firmly and quickly pull the wax in the opposite direction. A friendly tip: bubble in which a character winks, a sharp pull hurts less, like ripping off a band-aid. 5. Aftercare essentials. Congratulations! You've done waxing. Now, let's talk about aftercare to keep your skin happy. Apply aloe vera or a soothing lotion to soothe the skin. Avoid 24-hour hot showers, sun exposure, and tight clothing to prevent irritation. After 48 hours, gently exfoliate to prevent ingrown hairs. Keep your skin moistured to maintain smooth results. Sparkles pro tip: don't panic if redness or bumps appear, they usually disappear within a few hours. 6. Common waxing mistakes to avoid. Let's make sure you avoid these common mistakes. Don't apply wax to sunburned or irritated skin, it will make things worse. Wait for the hair to grow at least 1/4 inch before waxing again. Don't rush. Take your time to avoid missed spots or uneven results. If you sweat a lot, apply powder before waxing, this will help the wax adhere better. 7. Wrap up and final thoughts. And there you have it. Waxing takes a little practice, but with time, you'll get the hang of it. Remember to be gentle with your skin, and if something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to stop and consult a professional. Ready to give waxing a try? Now you're armed with all the tips and tricks to feel confident and smooth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who needs a little guidance. Until next time, stay smooth